Hello, today I'm going to show you how to transcribe automatically any audio or video files with Altair. To do it, it's very simple. Just take any audio file and drag it into Altair, and you will see automatically the files is transcribing. And here it is, the file is now transcribed. You can click and see exactly the content of the transcription. Even better, if you take two or multiple files at the same time and drag it in Altair, it works and automatically transcribe in parallel those two files. Here we go. And of course, this works with audio files, but with also video file. Very good. And now I can just interact with it. What did Steve say in his speech? And that's it. Enjoy. See you next week.